A communication workshop for teachers was conducted at Alumni International School. Welcome to Muna Vibes. I am Amya Maria Jingo. A talk with love with passionate speaker, Advocate Bilal Muhammed.
That is a great quality for teachers. Right. Having a great smile.
The passionate speaker of the day was Advocate Bilal Muhammed, aiming the empowerment of individuals to unlock their full potential. His training session was not a typical lecture-style classes. It was an interactive, engaging workshop that encouraged active participation, ensuring maximum retention and practical application of knowledge. And also, it showcased the best and unique practices in teachers' education.
They didn't get enough chance to release their energy. Can you imagine about your childhood when you were in 13, 12, 6-year-old? Where did you slept? With whom you played? Who was your best childhood friend? Without any other thought, please be here. The secret of Japanese happiness mentioned in the book of Ikigai.
Okay, because you can cry outside. I can understand you. Because we are all human beings. Let's move up. Maybe he has the pain. Maybe I have the pain. See, I have been in pain since the last day training onwards under my knees. But I can say I have pain.
Staff Secretary Mrs. Bilkis Aldayani welcomed the gathering. Principal Mr. Qasim Shah Jahan opined that contemporary education needs to be revamped by thorough discussion on the current practices in education and how novel practices need to be assimilated by the current teacher education students.
A teacher, a real teacher, cannot be replaced by any technology in the world. A real teacher radiates knowledge, as we always say, said by APJ Abdul Kalam. A teacher with good communication skills can teach. The same concept can be taught to the students in different ways.
Teachers received a valuable insight into the approaches of activity-based learning and to ensure their equity and inclusion for all their learners, as well as sharing their experiences.
Start. The teachers are firebrands of Al-Muna. They are going to prove you have to come back in the same position. Okay, but the strategy want to change.
By the communication of teachers, students gets fully engaged and they learn at their best. Was well coordinated and interactive with the teachers' active participation. The program concluded by vote of thanks proposed by Controller of Exams, Mr. Nishad. Here we come to the end of the news. Thank you all.